We're trying to reach out to people who may have different tastes and variety of tastes. Right now, people coming to the fair may love music or performance art or the tattoo culture, immersive 3D rooms, fine arts, but we have something for everybody. So when they come to the fair, they have this experience where they feel included. There's something for you there. And that's, I think, the magic of it.
My name is Holly Danger. I'm a video artist from Stamford, Connecticut. We're standing in my projection mapped room at the Satellite Art Fair called Let In, Let Go. I created this space as a sanctuary from all the craziness and busyness of our lives and the craziness and busyness of being at Art Basel. And I wanted to explore the interplay of natural and digital worlds as they're seen through the natural connections between symmetry, color, shape, form, and repeating patterns. And so I've created a 20-minute loop complementing binaural beats that bring you to a meditative and relaxed state. So I hope you enjoy.
Hello, my name is Kyle Henley. I'm here at Satellite Art Show. I'm a mostly self-taught artist from Ogilvie, Florida, and this is my installation from the outside looking in. With each piece being a view into the lives of people living at home.
My name is Amanda Gay Smith, and I am the lead curator and owner of One In Studios in Gainesville, Florida. And this is a collaboration with Desiree Bassel, who is the lead curator and owner of Moisturizer Gallery in Gainesville, Florida as well. And we have curated 10 artists who are all Gainesville or Florida affiliated to explore the concept of sadness as strength in a way that combats sorrow and loss through humor. And we are the first independent gallery to ever show during Miami Art Week from Gainesville, Florida. And this is our rave lighting for late night.
My name is John Gomez. I'm a Chicano multimedia artist. I'm here exhibiting my project called America. It has to do with my upbringing in the Chicano community in Los Angeles. I wanted to do this project because as an artist, I had to find a job I could do that would pay my bills while being an artist at the same time, and tattooing kind of just happened as a necessity. But what I realized really quickly was that it's very much tied into my experience being around cars and the Chicano culture that has a lot of artwork and music and just the community at large. And I wanted to bring that into Satellite because I just don't really see the community represented very often inside of these spaces.
Hello, my name is Rachel Nelson. I run a place called Secret Project Robot out of Brooklyn, New York with my partner, Eric Zadzikowski. We came down to Miami for Satellite to basically do a show called Humans on the Verge of Extinction. And it's a show that contextualizes our own complicity in the demise of the planet. And the show explores what it would be like for future civilization to come back and explore our garbage. So the interesting thing is stuff like cleaning supplies. What does that mean to a future generation? We use it ourselves to sanitize our world, but what happens after that sanitization is a plastic bottle we throw into a dump. So the things that we keep from spreading germs are actually the things that are probably going to be destroying our planet and keeping it from being inhabitable. So for us, it was about sort of trying to show that to people and make us think twice about packaging and all the things that we buy and purchase, as opposed to what does nature provide for us and what do we need from nature.